back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. Yes, so in today's video, I am going to be doing a product review. I've never used this brand before, and I just picked it up in... Where did I pick this up? Sally's. I picked this up in Sally's. I went in there, tried to get some different products. They really didn't have it, and I saw these, so I was like, let's try them out. So the products that I'm going to be trying is from Urban Hydration. I feel like I've heard this brand, but I really haven't heard like many people talk about it. But yeah, so I'm going to be trying their Honey Soften, Detangle, and Style Daily Moisturizer. And then I'm going to be trying out their Honey Flexible Sleek Style with Professional Hold Laid and Slayed Pro Gel. Okay, that's a lot. But yeah, so hopefully these two products work for me. I am going to be working on freshly washed, deep conditioned, and all that hair. So yeah, let's just get into it. So these two products were the only two that I saw in the store. I really didn't see a leave-in. So I don't have a leave-in in my hair. All I did was leave in like a little bit of the conditioner I use, but like barely any. Like I really don't have nothing in my hair. So we starting off fresh with nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this down just to get it wet and ready for the products. Okay, so the first product I'm going in with is the first product I told y'all. Is this Daily Moisturizer. I don't know if it has a, it probably got a thing on it. Okay, I'm gonna take quite a bit of this because I don't have no leave-in in. And I need all the moisture I can get. So we're going to put a lot of this in here. Okay, it smells. Hold on. I got to mix it to really get into the smell. Okay, that's kind of thick. Because she thick. Thick. Anyways. This kind of smells. It smells very familiar. Just can't put my finger on it. It does got like a honey smell in it, but it's like something else in there too. I don't know. But we're finna go in with this. Okay. Feels nice and moisturizing. Okay. I really like that this product is like thick. I mean, it's not like thick, but it's not like watery. And I live for that. So, yes. Let's go in with some more. I'm liking this so far. Just how it feels. Might be a really good moisturizer. Okay. We got a little definition too. You know. Okay. I can see this being a really good moisturizer. I really can. Okay. A good little first impression. Alright, I'm about to split this in half so I can really work it in and detangle it some. Y'all already know the drill. If you don't, now you do. But it feels good. It kind of makes my hair feel like a little silky, if that makes sense. Like my hands are like slipping off of it. Not saying like, I don't know. It's not like that same slip feeling. It feels like my hands are like slipping off of the hair, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how it feels. Like my hands are really slippery. Like, so it's making my hair feel like it's slippery, like I can't hold it or something, if that makes sense. So let's just brush this out. See if we get a little definition with just this product, okay? Because if we do, then we might be in there like swimwear. Okay. You know, it ain't like super defined, but it does feel moisturizing. And that's, you know, the point. So let's go in with this good gel and see if it's going to get a strong hold like it claimed to, okay? Okay, so this is what it looks like in the inside. You know, let's see the consistency. Okay. It's given thick. It smells the same. It kind of feels like wet line type of consistency. So let's put this on here and see what it's about to do. See if it's gonna get some definition and some hold. Okay. Okay, Urban. Hydration? Are you coming for the girls or what? Like, am I just late to the game or what? Cause this feels smooth, okay? Like, it feels good. And as y'all can see, it is clumping the girls together, okay, honey? Let's spray a little bit more water. Really get this going. Yeah, see? God be pointing me in the right direction. He be like, pick these up. You gonna like these. Cause these is getting the girls together, getting the curls together, okay? I like it. I like it. I have a good feeling. This is gonna be a good wash and go. Yes, okay. Really smooth them curls down. But it's looking good. It's feeling good. I got a good feeling. Okay, Urban. Come through with the come through. So I'm about to go ahead and just apply all of this all over. But I got a good feeling. I feel like it's just going to be a good wash and go. I ain't even going to hold y'all. So yeah, let's just do the rest. Okay, y'all, so I'm done putting all the product in. I went ahead and slicked my edges down with my edge fixer glued by Kiss Colors and Care. So yeah, I decided to do a side part. It's been a minute since I did it, so I was like, let me try to do a side part, but it's looking good so far. One thing I do want to know is about this. I don't know if y'all remember when I was like, it was like slick, but I think it's like, I feel like it's not really going into my hair. It's like staying on top of it. So we're going to have to see about this, if my hair is moisturized or not. But that's just kind of like the feeling I was getting. Like the product was just like coating my hair and not really going into my hair. That's what it was. So yeah, we're going to see how this is going to look. I'm going to let it, well, no, I'm not going to let it air dry. I'm going to diffuse it and then I'm going to come back and show y'all what it's looking like. Hey y'all, so I'm back from drying my hair and y'all, it looks so One thing I'm like super shook about off rip that I noticed is that my hair does not look dry. And I didn't put any oil on it. Like, y'all know I usually go in with oil just to like spruce it back up. Like, I don't have no oil on my hair and it still looks good. So I'm just like, okay, I see you. I'm glad I did a side part. It's been a minute since I did a side part and I'm really feeling it, you know. So, but this is cute. Cute. I'm feeling it. It don't look weird in the front. I made sure I put like the edge control right because like my side parts like right here in this area, it just be looking funny. So I made sure like, okay, and then it held up. Period. I really don't got that much frizz. Like, this is like the perfect wash and go for me right now. Like, it's been a minute since I had a good little wash and go like this. And I feel like it's really gonna last. Like, it has some good hold. My hair feels good. It doesn't look dry. That's one thing I'm really shook at, like how it don't look dry. But yeah, what y'all think? And I really didn't pick it. I picked it out just like a little bit right here, but that was it. Pretty much like when I be, you know, diffusing my hair, I'll like stretch out the back because that shrinks up the most. So I'll just stretch that out with my blow dryer to make it like, you know, longer in the back because I mean it is longer just to make it look like I got some layers or whatever. But that's pretty much all I did. I didn't even pick it out and it looks really good. So, period. But yeah, so as far as both of the products, I really like both. Like, I feel like this gel, it has a really good hold. It says no flaking or tackiness. I don't see any flaking going on. I would have noticed that off rip, but I don't see any flaking or any, you know, specks or anything like that. So that's good, and it's definitely got a pretty good hold. So I like that. And then the moisturizer, I guess it did its thing. I was feeling like a little, don't know if it's really going to moisturize my hair because it just felt weird on my hands. And I felt like it just really wasn't getting into the strands. But it looked good. So it must have got in there. But yeah, I really like how my hair looks. It looks really good. Let me know if y'all have tried these products out. If y'all have, these are only two products I saw in Sally, so I will have to go on their website to see if they got more. But if y'all want me to try some more of this brand, let me know. Yeah, but I definitely recommend you guys trying these products out. It definitely did my hair some justice, and I didn't even have a leave-in in my hair, so I think that's pretty good. And yeah, I guess that's it. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.